are a few tools we'll be using to do the taping. A mud pan, some putty knives, a hawk, and a trowel. For the taping, we're going to use the mud pan and a 6-inch putty knife. On our wall project, I'm going to be using paper tape. In this video, I'll show you which of the two sides we're going to use and apply to our wall. To start, we're going to protect our flooring with some 2mm poly and some green tape to adhere to the carpet here. This will protect it from getting any mud on the floor. Here I'm going to show you an easy way to prep our wall to make it as smooth as possible before we apply our tape, by cutting out imperfections, blisters, and things that are sticking out of the wall. Make sure those screws are sunk in just below the surface for easy filling. Now that our wall is smooth, flat, and straight, we're going to go ahead and start applying our mud. Take a bit out of the pan with your 6-inch putty knife. Spread the mud as evenly as possible throughout the joint. We're going to apply our paper tape as you see in the video here. This will allow easy filling, as when it shrinks, it will not blister on us. Using our 6-inch putty knife, squeeze out as much mud as you can to make it as flat as possible, without removing all the mud. You're going to need some of that to adhere this tape. This very same method will be used to fill up our beveled edge and to tape this seam as well. With a good and even amount of pressure, we're going to push this tape into the beveled edge. Using a nice even amount of pressure, push this tape down without taking all the mud out. As long as it's just below the beveled edge surface, this will be nice and easy to fill once the drywall tape is dried. Now we're going to be filling up our nails, making sure they're just below the surface. Take some mud on your knife squeeze it into the nail hole. Scrape off as much of that mud as possible so that you don't have any edges to sand off later. As long as it's filled in the middle, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions or requests, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.